Thanks for checking in with Maine's Total Weather here on a Friday morning. Welcome to November. Total weather alert, not for any stormy weather, but for the wind, which has been howling during the early morning hours and likely to persist right through the day today. It's a drying wind, though, so we are going to enjoy the sunshine. And note the falling temperatures, 50s, lower 50s, upper 40s as colder air returns. Here's the view from above, and you can see the wet weather as it pushed into the region during the overnight. The storm itself is to our north and west, and it was cold enough to produce some snow on the backside. Hour by hour forecast, any leftover showers early this morning will quickly give way to clearing skies and sunshine, but that doesn't mean the wind isn't going to be noticeable. Clouds on the northern side of the mountains with some snow showers up in southern Canada. So the wind advisory is in effect throughout the daytime hours. Winds may gust as high as 50 miles per hour, especially over some of the higher elevations inland. The mid-coast has seen some of the stronger winds during the pre-dawn hours. 8-day forecast, it's on to the weekend. A change in the weather pattern will bring cooler temperatures, but fair amount of sunshine for both Saturday and Sunday.